Hello guys, welcome back to Motion Wala YouTube channel, and I am back with another After Effects tutorial. And in this tutorial we will create this type of animation inside of After Effects without any plugin. Yes, without any plugin. So if you want to learn, so you can subscribe. Yes, you can subscribe. And this is my first tutorial in English, and if my English is little bit weak, so if you are not understand some of my words, so don't be hyper because my English is weak, so don't be worry also. So let's get started and see how to create this type of effect. We will create the second shot. Here is this animation. So first of all we want to, I have a composition here, so it's the only this shot, so we will duplicate this composition and delete the all effects from it. So we will delete the all effects, and now firstly we want to track your footage. So if you have any footage or you want to make this type of animation on any footage, you firstly want to track the footage, because this shoot perfect video, so it has very high cameras, so it's easily tracked, and it video has many elements, so it not be any problem for tracking. So first thing is very mainly is tracking. So every shot is the same process and work, so you don't might be thinking how to create this. So I'll make another tutorial in future very well from it's just a simple, but I will make some more advanced tutorial on this type of animation in future, so you will subscribe to my channel. And this is tracking the footage, so it's also took little bit time, not a very long time, so I recommend you to subscribe my channel because I made some more and more tutorial in future on daily basis in Hindi, English, Urdu, any language. So basically you will learn more and more. The dog is so just the camera is tracked, so we are nothing not showing any point, but when we drag our mouse, so it's showing this type, so means it's here is some point, but it's very small. So just you will like when your points will be perfect and like you want, this is the plane surface you want to place element, so our is here in the middle, so we can select middle or we can select the wall because it's plane or it's best for you. We are in this source, so you just want to right click on these points, so you can set the ground plane origin and create solid and camera. So here our solid and camera is created, so you can see we not want any more like scale or rotation or any animation for 2D or 3D, so just we tracked it and make a solid with them. So we can select this solid and go to layer, solid setting, and we will increase this height and width very high, like we will fill whole scene with it, whole scene. Yes, so we will okay, so we will firstly and we increase the size, and we will set the opacity 25% or 50%, what you want. So we will I decrease the opacity to 25, and then we will select and disable hide means disable this layer and go to first frame when the ball is hitting like there. So just select pen tool and select the layer also, and click on the ball or whatever you want to take, and just make a path like that. So you can also see your animation or your path is correctly moving, like my path is correctly following. So you can also make another, so like you are seeing what I am saying.
So we will create path following the ball. So our ball is, our this path here is little bit, so I think now it's following, now here it will be turned down, so yes, it's perfect. So I can just make path like this, and then I will So Okay, very good. So it's all because we take the footage and we created a 3D camera, so you don't want any other keyframe or scale or position settings to do something. So you just drag it and yeah, it will correctly follow, and then you just simply complete the mask by doing something like this, or you can just.
So it will be perfect, and then we have nothing. Yeah, that's fine. So now we will add an effect. It's called stroke. It's built-in plugin, or if you are using Video Copilot saber effect, or it's free plugin, you can also download it. So I will show you the difference. There is where this preview is the stroke effect, and here is the saber effect. So you can see little bit different. It has some like but it's really, but you can see here is the difference. So it basically stroke is also work very well, but if you like more smooth look, so you can also try the saber. It's free plugin, so you can just download it. So I will firstly tell you the stroke effect. So you can just add the stroke effect on the layer on this layer where you the path. So you can just add stroke effect, and brush hardness will be 100 and size will be I think 25, you can see. So okay, yes, 25 is okay. So we can paint style will be on transparent, so we will hide the layer, only we have the stroke. So we will hide the layer now. So we can just add a keyframe where first we can see, yes, there is, we can add a marker here. So we will add end, here is the end property, keyframe on the end property, and we will press U, so we will see the property. So we can just firstly enable this layer, so we can do this 0. So yes, 0, okay, 0 here. So we can go some frame forwards, and we can do it manually frame by frame animation. So here we will do it like we will track. So we can firstly increase this opacity and also change this color, so we can properly see. So you can also check out, here is, you can see here this is not fine, so we can change manually frame by frame, so that will be the do best work. So we can done it frame by frame. Yes, okay. So here is, so we can, yes, here is like this, yes, or here we want 1% more, or yes, okay, yes. So we will check this out now. Yes, we will do frame by frame. I hope you have idea. So I will forward this part, and so I done roughly not frame by frame, but you can then adjust by some framing. So yes, it's okay. So we will add some more keyframes. We will add a keyframe on the brush size and the start property. So we will press U, and we will see all keyframes. So we will go some frame forwards and move this keyframe on some frame forward, like we have the half animation will done, and we will go to end, and not on the end keyframe of the end property. We will go some frames forward, and we will increase the property to 100. So we have something like this animation. So here, or we will backward this keyframe first. So we have this type of animation. So it's basically the main thing is tracking. So we want to first track the footage, and the result will be same. Here is the here the line is some thin, and then this line, when this camera is zooming, the line will be like bold or whatever. In English, my English is very weak, so we will just keyframe the size. Here we can set the property to 20, and first we will set the property to, I think, 35 or 40. So when we start, it will be also the same, or we will, yes, and we will also forward this keyframe. So here is also like this effect, and the saber effects is always also like work like this. So we will just add an effect of Video Copilot saber, and we will customize core and type to layer mask, and we will enable glow, check and disable it, enable glow, and we will keyframe on the end offset and the start offset and the core size, and then we will press just U from keyboard, and we will see the keyframe. So we will just manually select this end property from stroke. So we will select all keyframes, just we will click here, and all keyframes will be selected, and edit or copy, or just Ctrl+C to copy this and select this property, is saber effect property, and just paste it. Or we will make manually same, but it will save our time, so you will get idea. And we will also copy this keyframe. And one thing in your mind, so when you are copying a keyframe, go to that frame where the first frame is. Like here is our first frame of start animation, we are copying on there, and we will on the same frame. If we are on this frame, and we will jump when pressed, so this is the keyframe on this frame, so we will on the same frame where we before. So we also copy the brush size and copy on the paste on the core size effect. So we will go to core size and paste this effect. So now if we hide this effect, and it's like something different, so like, yes, because our render mode is on black, so we will first transparent it, so we have some more clear look, so it look very well. So like this is the saber, and here is the stroke effect. So here is the stroke. Both effects are looking very well. So you want to a very plugin, what plugin you want, you are free to use your own, or what is your choice to use. My English is very good. I recommend you to use Saber. It's free, and it's will very good plugin, because it has some more properties. Like if we now want to change the bottom size, so we will change the size from there. The start size we will do 0, so the size will be something like this, or we will change the property to 15, so then this like this, and we will set start roundness change to 2 and end roundness also to 2, so that will like this. But we don't want 2 we want 1 or 1. I think that will be okay. Yes, 1 or 1 is okay. So yes, 1 and 1. So you are free to play and make your own, not own, but just make your own. Do creative, stay creative. And so basically this tutorial is just an idea how to create this type of effect. My English is very weak, so I hope you understand what I am saying, and I hope you will subscribe, because in next tutorial my English will be better, because it's my first tutorial. I retake this tutorial 10 or 20, 10 times, 10, 12 times. So I think this is the best one. So I hope you will like the tutorial, and you will be comment in this tutorial if you have any question, or you want to learn something, or you have any video you want to see how it's create, or we will recreate. I will recreate all the videos if you send me. So you can go definitely check out my other tutorials and consider to subscribe and press the bell icon and smash the like button or dislike. Not dislike this video because I have no reason. So if any dude, perfect user or not user or team member is watching this video, so please catch me up. I will do amazing job. If you have like this type of work you want, I will do, because I am your viewer, your fan, or whatever you call me. I will do amazing job. So contact me for any type of video editing. I will also doing freelancing. You will get my Fiverr account link in description. So if you have also any type of video editing work, you can feel free to contact me there. I will do amazing job. I will provide amazing job there. So feel free to contact me and consider subscribing, and thank you so much.